a $4,250 savings, like 90% off. Time for another dose of unboxings. Such a good savings. Like resale versus retail. Another RealReal haul, sustainable secondhand savings deal deals from the RealReal. We got another RealReal unboxing for you guys. Clothes and maybe a bag. I'm not really sure. So let's get to it, okay? This is part of my series of buying things secondhand from the RealReal under retail compared to the US retail prices of the new ones and talking about it and seeing if they're worth it and comparing it to the wear, yada, 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 especially clothes and things like that. But I think we have one little bag in here this time for you guys. That's that. Okay, so sustainable secondhand shopping, savings, seal of a deals from the RealReals. Shopping sickness, shopaholic sickness. It's a sickness. I have a shopping problem. I have a shopping sickness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a RealReal unboxing for you of some new goodies I got from the RealReal. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, we got 3 things really excited about. So one little tiny bag, which is a gift, and then 2 articles of clothing. Let's unbox and let's talk about them. We'll go in order. Okay, so the first one is this sweater, this cashmere sweater from the Row. Excellent condition, no signs of wear. Like Row sweaters normally go for like $1,500 to $2,000. So let's say $2,000, and this was discounted. This was listed at $725 and I got it for $217, 70% off. So let's say $220 versus $2,000. Let's say $200 versus $2,000. That is 90% off. That is an $1,800 savings right there. And it's the Row and it's cashmere and it's a beautiful color. Oh, I'll try it on later. Might be a little too big though, but we're in my fat face, so it's okay. And then the next thing I got, which they no longer sell at the store, but I think they used to go for $1,250, is this Bottega little cassette bag, which I got for $450, maybe $500, let's say. So $500, it was marked down. So $500 versus $1,250 is a $750 savings, plus $1,800, so we're at $2,550. And it's just like cute little leather bag. It is a gift, it's not for me. I did find a little bit of wear on it though. It's supposed to be excellent, no signs of wear. So I'm gonna ask them about that. There's a little mark on the front. But and it didn't come with the box of the dust bag or anything, so it's just literally the little pouch, but it's so pretty. And it's got like a card holder slot in here, cards, and then you can fit a few more things in there. It's like a decent small size little munchkin bag. And then the last thing I got, which is I can't really compare to current things because it's vintage, but it's a Miu Miu denim jacket. So it's a vintage Miu Miu denim jacket. But like, look at the color, I love. It's also excellent condition, no signs of wear. And a Miu Miu jacket right now probably goes for like $3,000 for a denim jacket. And this one I got for $222, so another $2,800 savings, let's say. So $2,800 plus $2,550 is $4,250, which is like a whole nother bag, a trip, a couple nights stay at a hotel, like whatever you want to go, like that's a huge savings, right? And this I think is so much cooler because it doesn't say Miu Miu. I know Miu Miu is very popular right now at the moment, but it doesn't say Miu Miu really loud. I just really like the color a lot. And yeah, I don't know. Okay, that's all I got. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you want them? Do you need them? I'll try them on Insta. I can show you. But I think that also I have a few more of these coming up. I have another 3 more boxes coming, so stay tuned. And like I said before, do you like this segment? Do you want me to keep doing this? I've been doing this once a week for forever, buying this stuff for you guys to show you guys, but also for myself, obviously. But let me know if you like it. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. All right, here's everyone on. We've got What do we think? I kind of like it. I mean, the jacket works. The bag, obviously I'm not keeping the bag, but it does look good. I mean, I got an outfit on here. So here's the jacket by itself. Right? And then here is the oversized Row sweater by itself. What do we think? That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies, because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.